What does wagwan really mean?
Come and me teach you patois now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. So I decided to do a little Google search to see what wagwan really means, and the things that I saw were kind of shocking. So before I tell you what wagwan really means, I'm going to tell you what it doesn't. 1. It is not broken English. So in Jamaica, the official language is the Jamaican Standard English, which is English basically. And there is also the unofficial, at this present moment, the Jamaican Patois or Jamaican Creole. And they are quite different. They have different structures, language structures. Yes, the Jamaican Patois borrows heavily on the Jamaican Standard English. However, they are quite different. And if you'd like more proof, if you'd like proof that they are quite different, check out some of the videos that are on this channel. 2, it is not rude. Saying wagwan is not rude or disrespectful. It is quite an informal way of greeting, but it is not considered rude. I mean, think about it. When President Obama came to Jamaica, he greeted the Jamaicans by saying wagwan. If it was that rude or disrespectful, somebody would have told him not to, right? 3, it is not a slang. So many sources on the internet say that wagwan is a slang. So of course I had to research what is a slang. And I understand why some people would say that it's a slang based on the definition of slang itself, which is so wide. And if you're not careful, every word would be a slang based on some of the definitions that I've seen. However, the reason why I say that it's not a slang is because a slang is usually a word that changes, the meaning of the word changes over time and when it is adopted by a particular group of people, right? Now, the wagwan itself has had the same meaning since forever, and even though Jamaicans have moved abroad and have used it abroad, and other groups of people have adapted the term and have used the term, the meaning has not changed. So for that reason, I think it can't be a slang. But please, disagree with me in the comments below. But like I said, the definition of slang itself is so wide, it's kind of ridiculous. We need to find a way to kind of rein that in, all right? Anyway, now let me tell you what it is. It means what's going on, but you knew this, but that's not all it means. It's not just limited to that. So it's a way that Jamaicans use to greet each other. It's a friendly way of greeting each other. So sometimes when you hear somebody asking or saying wagwan, they don't really necessarily want to know what's going on. It's just a way of saying hello, or how are you doing, or what's up, or something like that. So it's more of a greeting. Now, when somebody says wagwan, how should you respond? Here are some ways in which you can respond. You can say, me good, me good. And this means I'm good or I'm okay. Me dea, me dea, me dea. Me dea means I'm here or I'm fine, I'm okay. But if you're not okay, if you want to answer in the negative, you can say, nothing gwaan, you know. Nothing gwaan, you know. And this means I'm not doing so well, things are not going okay, things are not going well. So when someone says wagwan, you can answer me good, me dea, or nothing gwaan. Of course, there are many ways to respond to wagwan. These are just a few examples. So now that you know what wagwan really means, WAGWAAN. Please write your answers or your comments in the comment section below. Do you know how to ask someone's age in Jamaican Patois? Do you know how to ask someone where they're from? If not, please check out those videos and so many more on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.